Hello everyone. Let's continue with the poem The Last Bargain, written by Rabindranath Tagore. In the last class, I read the poem out to you, explained it and told you the moral of the poem. Now in today's session, we are going to see the summary of this poem and discuss the question answers related to it. So let's start with the session by reading out the summary. The poem The Last Bargain by Rabindranath Tagore opens with the speaker walking on the stone-paved road and asking out to hire him. The poem revolves around three people who offer to hire the speaker. A king proposed to hire him with his power. An old man offered some money, whereas a beautiful lady proposed to hire him with her smile. But the speaker realized that power, money, or beauty are temporary and would enslave the speaker for a lifetime. At the end, the speaker met an innocent child who wanted to hire him to play with him, but had nothing to offer. The child's innocence and simplicity were enough to hire him for life. Thus, the speaker accepted the last bargain of the child and becomes a free man, free from the materialistic world. Let's now discuss the question answers under working with the poem section. The first question is, who is the speaker in the poem? The speaker in the poem is a man looking for work. Question number 2. The king sword in hand suggests wealth, power, or more power than wealth. The correct answer here is power. Question number 3. The old man offered the speaker a lot of money. Why did he turn down the offer? The answer to this question could be that the speaker realized that money can't give him happiness. Once it is finished, he will be jobless again, and that is why he turned down the offer. Question number 4. Find in the poem lines that match the following. Read both one after another. The first part says, I have nothing to give you except goodwill and cheer. So which line does it match? The line that this part matches is, I hire you with nothing. Part 2. Her happiness was no more than sorrow in disguise. The line from the poem which matches these lines are, her smile paled and melted into tears. Third part of this question, the king's might was not worth much. And the line which matches this part is, but his power counted for naught. Question number 5. How did the speaker feel after talking to the child on the beach? The answer to this could be, the speaker felt extremely happy and a free man, because on speaking to this child, he felt that he had struck the bargain for his life. Here we finish both our sessions on this beautiful poem, which gives out a moral that money, wealth, beauty, power, these are all materialistic things which give only temporary happiness. But if you want a long-lasting happiness, then you must be happy from inside. And what makes you happy from inside? By giving happiness to others, by playing your innocence, by doing good deeds, good acts, having good thoughts for others. So if you want to strike a good bargain with someone, offer him these things. Because innocence, simplicity, goodness are the things that will last eternally. And the happiness that you get from all this is priceless. With this wonderful moral, let me finish today's session. In the next video, I'll come up with a new topic. Keep watching, be safe and stay healthy. Thank you very much and good day.